So we're back. It's been a little while. Got a new build. This is kind of a replica of the truck that I had when I was a teenager. It's 3D printed. Plan on doing a video on how I built it. Sorry, I got the hiccups. Plan on doing a video on how I built it. But here's a little test drive down at the lake. Hasn't been out. This is kind of its first maiden voyage, I guess. I got other 3D printed parts for it. So we'll just kind of check it out. Watch the video, watch it do some crawling. Leaf springs, axial axles. I don't know where I got the transmission transfer case from. It's a kind of a cool setup. So I'll do a breakdown video on the truck because I need to go through and repaint it and make the frame look good-ish. I'm not going to go too crazy on this rig because I do want to drive it and crash it and not feel bad about all the hard work I spent into building it. We'll just watch the video, and here at the end, it's a pretty good climb it makes, and I'll do a little commentary on it as it goes. So enjoy the video. So here's a pretty hard climb. That usually, this is 3D printed truck body. So it's a very heavy rig. I don't know what the rig weighs right now, but I wanted to see if it could do this. And this, I always like this part at the lake. It's getting to where you can't really get, you have to kind of set your truck up on there to start taking advantage of this climb. But as you climb up it, can't really turn it real sharp because you'll roll it over. So what ends up happening is you have to come up here, and I'm starting to try to get set up for it now, is basically you're going to start climbing up. Look at that leaf spring setup. It's flexing alright. But we're going to try to basically get the truck on the hill and then walk it to the passenger side. So you'll kind of see as we go here. I had somebody come up and start talking to me, so I had to stop the video, which is cool. I don't mind that. So as you can see, I'm starting to try to walk it passenger side. And ideally, I would think that would start to catch after somewhere right in here. But don't think I have a rig that has yet to actually be able to hook up and grip. All of them have to do the exact same line that this rig did, which is pretty awesome considering how much weight this truck is. Those are high racks, Predator compounds. They're about flat on the front, put all the weight up there. So right here, I really feel like it should be able to grab and go. And I thought it was actually going to, but it didn't get it done. So that's how I had to talk to that guy. So now here we're back at it. I'm just going to keep working it to the passenger side. We've got to get that rear tire through that gully, or that hole right there. And after we accomplish that, it will be able to hook up and grab. And that is pretty much universal on all of my rigs. Do this exact same line. I know it's kind of like, whoop-de-doo, this is a whatever line, but to me it's impressive that it's been able to do it with the body that it has on it. So just keep working it over. There's a lot of working it to the passenger side. And right there you can see it's starting to grab it. We try to slow down the wheel speed so the tires can grip in. You can see them wrinkling up and trying to grab. And they're going to get it. Okay, now from there, this is where horsepower is good. But this truck doesn't really have a lot of top end. This is actually the slowest truck I think I've ever had, oddly enough. It has a Hobbywing Fusion. I'm not sure the kVA. I want to say 1800 kVA. And in the video breakdown, the video I'm going to do after this, you'll be able to see more on how it's made. And right here, getting to the other side, you can see them Hyraxes are giving it all she's got. Put my hand up here and just give a little bit of weight. Feels like less than a pound, and it'd probably hook up and go. But there's the video. Appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe, and hopefully I can make some more videos here. Thank y'all for watching.